As the world gets more dangerous, we adapt like we always have. From the beginning of the Vietnam conflict, Army Special Forces focused on unconventional warfare, counterinsurgency, special reconnaissance, psychological operations, all while working by, with, and through our partner forces in defense of their freedom and sovereignty. After the attacks of September 11th, 2001, we faced a new enemy, waging war on new terms. For the decades thereafter, Army Special Forces fought to disrupt and eliminate this new terror threat by capturing and killing key terrorists and dismantling their criminal organizations throughout the world to keep America safe. We did this through partnership with local forces, civil and humanitarian service to local communities, and by demonstrating our resolve to the enemy, always. This global war on terror demonstrated our unwavering commitment to service, country, and the security of the American people. As we enter a new future, Army Special Forces endures to build upon a legacy of success in the defense of the cause of freedom across the globe. 1st Special Forces Command, Airborne, continues to stand as a model to meet both existing and emerging threats to the United States, our partners and allies. While our mission and focus changes, our commitment to continuous transformation ensures the safety of the American people, whether through irregular or unconventional warfare, civil and military support operations, or psychological operations. Army Special Forces remains an undisputed leader against the forces of tyranny and oppression that threaten our people and our way of life. We will adapt, improve, and win in any theater, against any enemy, and at all costs. The oppresso liber.